Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install Bybit application on your iOS device. So first of all, we'll need to check if the Bybit app is available in your country. Go ahead and open up your App Store from your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now click on the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search bar at the top. Type in Bybit and search. Look for this Bybit Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application on the screen and tap on the Get or the Cloud icon to start downloading the app on your device. If you are downloading the app for the first time on your iOS device, you will need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. After waiting for a couple of minutes, your application will be downloaded. Tap on Open to launch Open Bybit on your iOS device. And there you have it. That's how you download Bybit application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.